Welcome back to Trina's Motivation. Today, guys, I'm going to take you on a journey and show you how I made my avocado mask, and I will also go ahead and apply it. As you see me doing here, pretty easy, pretty simple. So let's jump straight into the video. So this is my hair after 2 weeks. So let's see what it's looking like. I tried tucking away the ends because I realized over the last couple of months I wasn't tucking away my ends. So it's very important to tuck away your ends. But my hair actually still feels moist, even though, around the front seems dry. But when I know that I'm taking it down, right? So we're going to do avocado mask today. We're going to do that treatment. So now we want to go in and we're going to unravel. And of course, we always tell you, never take down your hair, never touch your hair when it's dry. Now, because we're going to unravel, we can soak this. We can make this soaking wet. So I'm going to go through and do all of this. Right? You could actually use aloe vera juice, whatever you want. You could use some deep conditioner. Can you get some cheap deep conditioner? You can do pre-poo. I'm actually going to be doing a pre-poo, but we're just using water and oil, right? That's all I will be using today. There's the oil. So all I'm going to do is just pour some in my hand, and then I'm going to apply it to the hair. That's all. And then we are going to just unravel away. The process is very simple. And to me, you can't put too much oil in this case, because you're going to cover, you're going to allow it. Then we're going to unravel these twists. I will always tell you to start from the ends. These are a little bit tiny. I didn't realize I do them so you want to take it up from the ends, right? Take your time. And that's why you notice I start doing jumbo braids instead of the regular fine braids. I don't know what got into me the other day. I did these. These were a little bit smaller. But that's it. That's how quickly that was done. So one down. About 50 more to go. So this is actually going to take me about 1 hour to unravel. So hence the reason I started doing it this way instead of the fine braids. I love the fine braids because I can rock them for like a month and a half. But the takedown process is like 8 to 9 hours. That compared to 1 or 2 hours, I will give up that for anything. So let's see how much shedded hair we have so far. So this is where I'm losing a lot of my hair, but it's okay because I'm still seeing some growth, hopefully. Remember, at the end of the year, we should be getting what our target was. I think it was 6 inches was our target. So this is what we gotten out of it so far. I think this is a whole lot for just 2. Yes, and it's 2 weeks. So we basically gonna be doing the same thing to all of the hair unravel. Then I'm gonna return, show you what it look like. Then we will shampoo and go straight into our avocado treatment. So you wanna stick and stay. So we're gonna be doing our avocado mask, and of course, what we need is our avocado, and we have the extra virgin olive oil. So we're going to cut it. This one is very ripe, overripe. Alright. I actually paid $200 for it, so I'm definitely going to have a few slices out of it. So I'm going to cut off a few slices there. I'm going to have it with some gingerbread. So I'm going to cut off some of the slices. All of this now going in here. Sorry. I don't really love pear, but yeah. So that's what we're going to do next. We're going to dice it, make them smaller. Then you want to pour this into here. What you're going to add is your extra virgin olive oil. So for those who've never seen the avocado before, you have this seed and you can plant it and get more from it. I think this looks like it's a whole lot, but we're going to do all of it. If we have any leftovers, what we will do is to put it into the freezer. You guessed it right. Remember, you know, we use what we have and we waste nothing. Okay? And we know avocado is very good for hair. Conditioner and shampoo that I'm using contains avocado, so we know avocado is actually very good. So now that we are done, oh my god, this thing keeps slipping out of my hands. Now that we are done with that, the next thing we're going to do, and you know already, I don't really measure. We're gonna pour in. Remember, we're not going to use any water, so you want to have enough. You don't want it to be too thick, and you don't want it to be too thin. And then you're going to close your lid, and then you will blend. So there we are going to show you what the consistency is looking like. Nice and smooth. There, nice and smooth. So that's what you want it looks like. We're not going to waste anything, and all of that's going to go into our hair. There it is, nice and smooth. So we're going to apply this to our hair, so stay tuned for that. So my hair is freshly washed, and you know, of course, I always use some t-shirts, right? Wow, it looks nice. We do it in section as usual, and we're now going to apply the mask to this. You want to make sure everything gets touched, all right? Here looks nice and black, not true? So this is the mask. So you want to make sure you have this kind of consistency. Wow, it's very smooth, and we're going to apply a generous amount. Yeah, you know me going to go in with a lot. Nice, glide it in. I know some of you have been saying, boy Trina, you have not been doing these masks, and I really enjoy them. So I know it is pear season, so don't throw out those overripe avocados that you have. You can use it. You know, avocado is good that you can make face mask as well. Yeah, you can. You know everything on YouTube. So if you want to do it, you can actually go Google it. Oh Lord. And then we're gonna go in, we're gonna complete this side, and we know once it's done, what we do, we go to the other side and give it the same amount of TLC. I just love it. Avocado really makes my hair feel good. I'm telling you. I want you to try it and come back and tell me what it's looking like. Oh, lovely. Look at this. Look at this. Lovely. Yeah, I like it. We're gonna tuck it away. You know, I always try to do this. Gonna do that to ensure you know, we don't get it all messed up. And then we go to the next side and we do the same TLC. So again, we go to the next side and we're doing the same thing. Definitely. You notice when you do it in smaller portion, you are sure every side is getting touched. And that's what you want to do. As I said, I'm very generous with it. And based on what I see happening, I think I'm going to have quite a lot left. Looking really nice and feels really good. I always like this seasoning, you know. I normally make my avocado oil as well, but I haven't gotten a lot of avocado this year for some reason. I don't know, maybe it's not plentiful, but I normally make the oil. It's easy to make. All you have to do is to just dry it, put it on a container dry, then you just get the oil out of it. Very, very simple. So there it is. Do in the back, I'm gonna do the same thing. So for those of you who probably perm your hair, you know that's what they'll do when you perm your hair. You do it in sections, you know, to ensure everything gets touched. And that's what we are doing here as well. As I said, I'm going with a generous amount because I want everything to be well coated, right? So it's up to you. Sometimes I do a little massaging in as well. You know me extra with the things, right? I think this is all done. And then we will tuck it away like this, just to make sure, you know, everything is not knotted up. All right, we are done with all of that. We're going to put our shower cap on, and then we are going to cover. So anybody can do it. We're gonna go on with our shower cap here. We're gonna cover. See, if I tuck away the ends, it would be so much easier. I wouldn't have to be thinking about all of that. Tuck it away. And do you know what we're going to do next? Take a guess. I'm waiting. We are going to cover. Yes, some of you say you're going to get one of these. You need to do so. So we're going to cover. This makes my life so much easier. We are going to cover for, I realized the other day I never put it on right. So we're going to put it on high there. And we're going to leave it on for 15 minutes. We're going to do 10 minutes on high and the 5 minutes on low, just to, because when it gets really hot, you know. Yeah, so definitely it is actually working, guys. So I'll see you in 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, let me turn this off. What I would encourage you to do, once you take it off, allow your hair to cool a bit before you try to apply any water to wash it out. Alright, so let us see what it's looking like. Wow. You notice the difference? So you can allow it to cool down, whether in the bag, or you can just take it off so you can hair dry or cool down a bit before you wash this out. So this is our avocado mask. I hope you will try it. Know that it is avocado season or pear season as we call it in Jamaica. I want you to try it. Come back and tell me how it feels. I know my hair will be feeling really, really good once I get all this out. It felt that way before putting it, while I was placing it in. Slow down, Trina, you talk so far. But guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. And if you do, you know exactly what to do. Go right ahead, give me a thumbs up, share this with someone who says my hair cannot grow. We can use our own things in our home. Start where you are and use what you have. That's what I've been doing, and I recognize, you know, I've not been doing these things as of late, so I said let me go back to basic, and that's exactly what I'm doing. So thanks to the persons who reached out and said I'm not seeing any hair video. Bye until my next one. See you then. Take care.